Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to convert the unit of a volume in scientific calculator. I'm considering calculator FX991EX. Just follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. Step you need to do is you need to activate the conversion table. Shift, press 8 and go to volume. Then select the unit you want to convert. For example, I'm taking gallon to liters, so 1 gallon is equal to 3 point. Yeah, so let's go with another example. Liters to gallon, so unit liter 100 liters is equal to 26.417 gallons in US. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching.